What are the benefits of walking in nature, especially in the forest? Claudine here, and to me it's like heaven. I enjoy it every time I do it. When you're in nature and you're walking in the forest, you're separated from society and you're there alone. You connect better with yourself. Your mind gets quiet, or your stress levels go down. I feel so happy and peaceful when I'm there. And you know, when I get back, I'm more focused. My brain is more inventive, more creative. It really is. It's amazing. I read about it, and it lowers your stress level. It lowers your blood pressure. It's good for your muscles, for your whole body, because you're exercising. Even if it's in a slow pace, it really, it boosts your immune system. I read that too. So it's really amazing spending time in nature. I can recommend it to everybody. And it's easier when you have a dog, because he enjoys it too. But it's, whenever I have the opportunity and I can go with Tosca in the forest, I enjoy every minute of it. Especially when the sun is shining and you can feel the warmth. Oh God, you can hear the birds singing. It's, just put away that mobile phone, put on your walking shoes, and just go into the forest, and you will thank me later. I really mean that. Just enjoy it. Nature brings you so much. You just have to grasp it. It's there for everybody. It's free. You know what I mean? You don't have to go on holiday to enjoy life. Okay. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.